Hello, this is Dr. Kwun calling from Bellevue Surgery. Is this Sarah Smith?
Yes, it is.
Can I check, is this a good time to speak to you, Sarah?
Sure, yes.
Thank you. May I check your date of birth, please?
17th of February, 89.
How can I help?
I've been having quite heavy periods lately. And yeah, that's why I'm calling. I'm on 9 pads a day now. And so I don't know. I hope we can find something to change this.
Yeah, I appreciate that's quite a lot of pads you're
Yeah.
going through during a day. Could I ask you, how did this start, Sarah?
So it started about, say, 6 months ago, something like that. And yes, I used to be on maybe 3 pads a day, and it got each time more heavy, and now I'm on 9 pads a day. I'm changing all the time, and it's just too much.
So it sounds like you're bleeding a lot. Have
Yeah.
you noticed any clots at all?
No.
No. Okay. And are you usually regular?
Yes, I am.
When was the last time you had a period?
About 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it every 28 days, 29 days you have a period? How many days?
Every 28 days.
28 days. Okay. How many days do you usually have your period?
Around 7 days.
And have you had any bleeding in between your period?
No, nothing.
Okay. I need to ask you a few sensitive questions if that's okay with you.
Yes,
Are you in a relationship right now?
yes,
Yeah. And is it a stable relationship?
it is. Yeah, I live with him.
Okay. And can I check, have you had any bleeding after intercourse?
No,
Any pain during intercourse?
no,
And have you had any discharge at all?
no.
Is there any chance that you could be pregnant?
I really don't think so.
Are you getting any pain?
A little bit in my belly, but it's nothing strong.
Okay. When do you usually get pain?
When I'm on my period, maybe the first, second day.
It's a pain that you usually get during your menstrual period. It's not new.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Have you noticed whether there's been any issues with your bowel motion?
No, I don't think so.
No constipation or any diarrhea?
No,
No. And have you had any problem passing urine?
no,
When people have heavy period, it could be due to various causes. Any weight gain at all?
I don't think so. No.
Okay. And have you been feeling more tired?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. And for how long have you been feeling more tired?
Um, I'd say kind of the same amount of time that I've been having heavy periods.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe about 5, 6 months.
Mm. And have you had any faint at all? Have you fainted?
I didn't faint. No,
Okay. Any problem with your breathing, Sarah?
no.
Have you tried anything yourself?
I did try paracetamol,
Mm-hmm.
but for the pain, I mean, I just have it sometimes. Like as I told you, if it hurts a bit on the first or second day, then I take that and it cut the pain. That's it.
I see.
I mean, I'm on the contraception pill, but that's it. It's the only thing.
Have you had any thoughts as to what could be going on, Sarah?
I was thinking maybe it could be endometriosis. I don't really know how to pronounce this word. I'm sorry, but because I have a friend who's been diagnosed a few weeks ago by this thing, and I know it can take a while to get diagnosed, and I kind of have the same symptoms as she has, so I'm a bit scared it might be that.
Right. Okay.
Because of the tiredness, I think probably have anemia too, because I'm so tired.
I appreciate that. Yeah. So endometriosis is something that you're worried about.
Yeah.
What symptoms did your friend have?
Well, she had a lot of pain. My pain is not as bad as the ones as hers, but she also had very heavy periods.
If you're struggling with the RCA and you believe that you need help, then I'd recommend that you click the link down in the description below to book a free call to see whether we can work together on a one-on-one coaching program. If I think that I can help you, then we can get you on the coaching program. But if I can't help you, then at least you'll get some insights. If you found this video useful, then I'm sure you're going to get a lot from watching this video. Click the video to watch it. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.